Technology is everywhere. It's powering how we live, learn, and connect. At the core of all technology is electronics. It's the foundation, the science that makes things light up, move, and react. Children see their ideas come alive in a physical world. Electronics is also a system. Every circuit follows scientific rules, every component has a role. Within those constraints, children learn to design, solve problems, and think systematically. The very skills of true innovators. That's why we built Labbox, electronic blocks that let children explore, invent, and understand technology by creating with it. And today I'm going to walk you through our Labbox Circuit Explorer line and show you how it works. This is our most versatile series yet, a complete library of electronic blocks designed for creativity and learning. The line is structured into 4 kits: Base, Level 1, Boost, Level 2, Pro, Level 3, and the Lab Kit, our all-in-one bundle that contains everything from the previous 3 kits. When you open a kit, you'll find various electronic blocks plus accessories. Each block represents a real electronic function, like a light, a sound, motion, or sensing, and all of them connect instantly with magnetic wires. Building circuits is easy once you understand 2 things: the 3 color-coded categories of our blocks and how series and parallel circuits work. Every circuit starts with a power block. This connects to the included battery pack or a USB port. You'll need a power block in every circuit you build. Outputs. Let's start with the red blocks. These are outputs. They do something: light up, make sound, or move. For example, let's connect your power block to a LED block and watch it glow. Next are the blue blocks, the inputs. They add control. Some are buttons and dimmers, and others are sensors like light and distance. They let you interact with your circuit. And then there are the white blocks, your logic blocks. They add intelligence, like timers and comparators, to give your circuits more complex behavior. Labbox also includes connector blocks and magnetic wires. They let you change the shape of your circuit. The way you design the layouts affects how your circuit behaves. All blocks are fully protected. You can't easily damage them. Plus, they have embedded indicators that help you troubleshoot mistakes. For example, polarity indicators show if you reverse the current, and the power block has a yellow indicator that lights up if you've created a short circuit. Some blocks, like the motor or servo, even have adjustable modes, so you can control direction clockwise or counterclockwise. It is very important to understand the 2 basic types of circuits. Series circuits. Series circuits are one continuous loop where electricity flows through each block one after the other. In these circuits, electricity has only one path. Since the Labbox system runs on 5 volts, you can only connect a limited number of blocks in series. Parallel circuits, like forks in the road. Electricity flows through multiple paths. Each path gets the same amount of current. Here, you can connect as many blocks as you want. Each kit also includes accessories to bring your projects to life, like the mounting boards to snap the blocks onto, wheels and mechanical arms for motors and servos. But you don't have to stop there. Grab cardboard, scissors, or paper from home and combine them with Labbox for even more creative builds. To guide you further, every kit comes with an included instruction book and digital lesson plans, great for classrooms or at-home learning. They take you step by step through projects while leaving plenty of room for creating your own. Invention isn't always smooth. Things don't always work for the first time, but that's the point. Troubleshooting is learning. And with Labbox's built-in indicators and protected design, kids can safely experiment, learn from mistakes, and grow as creators.